Hi, I'm Marta. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today is the challenge for Ken and his sweetheart. Ken and Barbie, or Ken and anyone. And Ken and Barbie are into it at my house, so it's Ken and Blythe. Ken doesn't get to be out in the remote control Barbie car. He's in Pumpkin's car, and they're headed out to lunch. I'm doing this collab that is put out as a challenge with Gosha from Dolls, Trolls, and More, Irene from Irene's Doll Space, Cynthia from Ambrosia's Dollhouse, and we each month ask you to bring out your boy dolls. This month is Ken with Love, because you know, February. Thank you so much to Irene, Cynthia, and Gosha. Please be sure to go by their channels and everyone's channels to see what they have today. If you have a video, please let me know in the comments so that I don't miss it. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.